Welcome back. Well, as promised, let's get chatting with the management of Mayur Uniquoters. The stock has been under some pressure because the street is a little bit cautious on the growth guidance that's been given. Well, we're joined by Mr. Poddar, the chairman and managing director of the company. Hi, Mr. Poddar. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, after a while, the street seems to be enthused because you're giving a growth guidance. But the problem is, at the end of Q3, you sounded far more optimistic than at the end of Q4. So run us through the growth guidance now, giving and taking everything, the slowdown, the positives and negatives. What kind of a growth are you looking at for FY24 on the top line as well as FY25? And also margins, they dipped on a sequential basis. What's the outlook out there?
See, so far sales growth is concerned, in 23-24, we expect 18% growth in sales.
Yes.
So, and because the automotive industry is doing very good, so our outlook for profit is also better.
Okay.
Because automotive industry exports, which we do, and that is increasing highly.
Okay.
And because of that, these growth are available.
Okay. Mr. Poddar, earlier you indicated 30% growth at the end of Q3, but you're saying a more realistic number will be 18% for FY24. What about FY25? What kind of a growth number are you looking at? I believe you're heading towards 1,000 crores. Could you confirm that? And also, what is the margin band?
You see, whatever I say according to the requirement given by automotive industry. But in automotive industry, sometimes you see some models are delayed for 3 months, 6 months like that. That's why little bit here and there you will find. But overall, I can say that there will be a good growth in 23-24 and as well as in 24-25. Because all these automotive orders we have got in our hand, but some models are starting by the end of this year, some model will start in the beginning of next year. So like that we are predicting.
Right. So, Mr. Poddar, just wanted to understand, Mercedes last year was closer to 45 crores. BMW will start from next year. How much will these two contribute to your revenue? And exports was around 210 crores last year. How will that grow in FY24?
You see, FY24, we hope to reach up to 300 crores in export.
Okay.
Because, and this is maybe 2-4% plus minus, because of we have given this figure with the requirement given to us by the automotive industry, for which we have been allotted the business. It's not that business will be coming. I mean, only thing is the model, whatever they say at that time, if it starts, according to that, it may be 2 months, 3 months here and there. So I hope to have at least 300 crores in 23-24, and in 24-25, I expect more than 450 crores in export. In export means automotive export as well as general export.
Okay.
I mean, we are exporting all over the world.
Right. Okay. So 450 crores in 2025, FY25 of exports. And the overall revenues will look like how much in 2025? And Mr. Poddar, request you again to give us a margin guidance, please.
You see, in 24-25, the growth should be, total growth should be 25%.
Okay.
In 24-25. And the sales volume amount should be about 1,100 crores in 24-25.
Okay.
And margin will be also better from 23-24. In 24-25, I hope to have at least 30% PAT in 23-24. Sorry, 23-24, PAT should increase by 30%, And in 24-25, it should also increase between 20 to 25%.
All right. So you are giving us net profit guidance instead of margin guidance. You are saying that next year your revenues will increase by 18%, but net profit will increase by 30%. So analysts will start baking in some margin expansion. The year after that as well, while your revenues increase over 20%, you will see a net profit growth of 22 to 25% as well. Let's talk about a couple of other growth drivers for you, sir. PU plant, what capacity utilization is it likely to have in FY24? The peak utilization could get it 100 crore revenue. How much do you think you will manage in FY24?
You see, at the moment, we are having capacity utilization about 68-69% at the moment.
Okay.
And asking about PU. Oh, you are asking about PU capacity?
Yes, sir. Only PU plant, because that has been the trigger going ahead. So we want to know on PU, how much can you do this year? In comparison to last year as well, you were struggling a little bit out there. But how can you do? I think last year you did 25 crores, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this year it should increase by 20-25%, as I said so many times, and we are working with the government because all the manipulations are being done by importing from China, and people are under-invoicing, and then, nowadays we were able to put anti-dumping
Mr. Poddar, request you, sir, we're running a little short on time, so imports are coming in, which is a bit of a worry. But from the PU plant, from 25 crores, give us a number for FY24 and FY25 as you're looking at ramping up.
You see, what I can see today is the situation. It should be at least 25% minimum.
25% growth from here.
25% growth in both the year. I mean, 23-24 and also 24-25.
All right, Mr. Poddar. Thank you so much for joining in and giving us the outlook for the next year. Wish you good luck. And we hope that you go ahead and achieve the numbers on a timely basis as against, what has been happening with regards to the auto industry. A few quarters here and there have been delays with regards to launches. Take a short break, come back, get you more on the markets and individual stocks.